My name is Dr. Matthew Brace. I've been with Yellow Telescope for 2 years, and we're into our third year now. I signed up with Yellow Telescope a year after, I guess at the end of my first year of practice. So I originally met Ed and Jill in Nashville at the American Academy meeting, and they kind of guided my wife and I, who's my practice manager, towards thinking about hiring a patient care coordinator. And at the time, it didn't really make sense to me what a patient care coordinator was, but we stayed in conversation with them throughout the year. And at the end of my first year, I basically went from having cosmetic days where nobody booked anything and I made $0 to the point where I thought I need some help with this. And so we reached out again to Ed and had a long conversation and decided to take the plunge with Yellow Telescope, and they helped us find Brittany, who's our patient care coordinator, and she's a superstar. She makes my life way easier. We have more than 80% conversion. I essentially tell people, colleagues, when they ask me what Yellow Telescope's all about, I say Brittany's my giant filter. People don't get in to see me until they're ready for treatment or ready for surgery, and it saves me a headache, it saves me a lot of time, it saves me a lot of money. Ed is our liaison, our consultant that we work with, and he's a lot of fun. I feel like Ed's part of our practice, he's part of our family, and so much so that in San Diego we went to Vampire Weekend to the concert together with him and John and just had a blast, and I really feel like they're part of our team. I can tell our practice is growing with Yellow Telescope. We had our first $100,000 cosmetic month in May of 2019, and we're consistently approaching that number or surpassing it ever since. This is on top of the insurance work that I do because my practice is blended, but Yellow Telescope has helped us grow immensely, just monumentally, and I have an ideal practice where I basically only do what I want to do. I see patients that are prepped and vetted through my patient care coordinator, and it's just fun to go to work. So I really appreciate all the work they do. I highly recommend them. It just makes the cosmetic practice flow smoothly, have your days productive, and at the bottom, or at the end of the day, your bottom line is improved, and everybody's happier.